Hello everyone! In this tutorial, we'll dive into creating 20 unique brick patterns from scratch, perfect for architectural projects, environment design, game development, or visualization work. We'll use simple yet powerful techniques to build each pattern and explore different ways to add variation. But this isn't just about connecting nodes. I'll explain why each node is used and what role it plays in the process. Then I'll show you how to combine all 20 patterns into a single smart node, making your graph lighter, cleaner, and easier to manage. Finally, you'll learn a fast and effective way to add realistic edge damage to your bricks, bringing extra life and detail to your materials. You'll also get the full project file along with reference images inside the package. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this course will help you build a strong, flexible library of brick patterns you can use in any project. Let's get started.